Today I'm going to show you guys how I make 5,000 naira plus today. Show you guys how I do this, so please watch this video to the end so you get the whole full tutorial on how to make money online here in Nigeria. It's very easy to do. One thing about some of you guys that you watch my video but you don't take actions. Some take actions, they register but they don't proceed with the procedure. So this is on how to simply easily do this. You understand? What I do is very easy and you can also do it. So first you have to go to this website. Without wasting much of your time, I want you guys to know that probably in Nigeria you can easily make decent amount of bucks online. You don't have to go on a street hustling, grinding. You can just get the rightful information, and I'm here on this channel to provide you the rightful information that you need to make money online. I only show you a site that works very well, that pays off. That's why I introduce myself, I show you my face, I show you guys, I show you proof that this site really works. So I'm going to go to my dashboard today and show you guys how I easily make this money and how I was able to withdraw this money straight to my bank account, so you don't have to worry doing the withdrawal. I'm going to give you all the details that you need to be able to make money online here in Nigeria. So if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll get update anytime I release a new money making video. So first you have to go to this website. From this website, so you can see today that I earn about this my referral, and I earn almost 400 naira only by referral, and I make about 1,226 naira today by just completing taxes. So let me show you guys available taxes here. So the website name is Naira Workers. I'll show you guys this website before. It works very well. Understand? You have paid out millions to people, to the users. You understand? You have paid out millions of naira to the users of this platform, and they have available jobs. They have high-paying jobs, and the reason why I love their job is that they really pay big. Understand? And it's free to register. It's free to register on Naira Workers. Just use the link at this video description, click on it and go to this website and start completing taxes and start making money. Some of you guys worry so much and complain a lot of not having money, but the problem there is that some complain about not having money, some don't even want to pull in the work. This is how to do it. You need information and you need to have the ability to take action so that you can be able to make that mass. So here, this is it. You can see available jobs on this platform. You can see 100, 110, 100 naira, 100 naira, 100 naira, 82 naira, 82 naira, 78 naira, 78 naira, you can see a lot of jobs. So after completing all these whole tasks in a day, why can't you make up to 2,000 naira in a day? If you go on a street hustling, grinding, sun beating, you can easily make this box. And this site provides new jobs every day. Every day you log in, this site offers you job that you complete. And what I love about this site is that they pay you big. Understand? Their tax pays very well, and when you complete your tax, it won't even take up to some few minutes or hours. They will approve your work and your account will be credited. When you check your wallet, when you click on your wallet, you will see, when you click here the right wallet, you will see your actual earning. So you can see the amount I just make today. You can see this my tax earning. You can see tax earning. You can see my tax earning is about 1,226 naira. And actually, for you to withdraw money, for me to withdraw this money, I have to send this my referral, because if my referral earning is also my earning, so I can send it here and see if you reach 2,000. If you reach 2,000, I can just withdraw it. I've been withdrawing from this site. I've withdrawn more than 3 times from this side, and I'm going to on my next video, if I'm about to withdraw this one, I'll make sure I don't forget, so that I will show you guys how I withdraw and how I receive the alert on my bank account. So it's very easy to do. I don't want you guys to worry much about this site. Just use my link, because there are a lot of fake sites out there. When you search Naira Workers, a lot of sites will pump up, but for you to get to this legit site to this one in particular that is the real site, just use my link at the video description to go and register so that you get started and start making money easily here in Nigeria online at the comfort of your home. You don't need to bother yourself much. So this is, let me transfer this my referral earning. So here is where to transfer your referral earnings. You understand? Transfer referral earning to a task for withdrawal. So let me transfer it and see how much remains for me now to being able to complete fund transfer was successful. So I've transferred it. So it's remaining about 400 naira now for me to be able to withdraw my money, because if I click on this withdrawal, they will tell you actually that you need about almost 2,000, which is about 1,999 naira to being able to withdraw. You see, you can withdraw your earning when you earn over 1,900, so which is about 2,000 naira. Withdrawal are proceed every Friday, so they normally pays every Friday. So if you request for if I wish this 2,000 naira now and request for a withdrawal, then I have to wait till Friday before they will proceed with the withdrawal, so that I will get the money straight to my bank account. But I will not forget again. And next time, as I'm doing my withdrawal, I'll make sure that I remember to video my withdrawal process and how I get the money to my bank account, so that I will show you guys that this actually works. But because some guys, they don't just believe me, understand? And that's one thing that is killing some guys. They're just full of doubt. Understand? You don't try things out, you just conclude that it's a scam or this and that. This is not. Understand? It's real. This naira worker is real and it's paying out. You can go online, you check reviews of people that have been using this, and me as a person telling you that this site works means that this site works very well. And me making video about this site shows that this site is one of the best freelancer site that you can ever use in Nigeria. And one thing about it is that it's free. It's very free, so you can easily earn. You can see it here. So this is you are yet to reach your minimum withdrawal. So as you can see, so I have to earn extra 400 naira now, about 3 something, to being able 360 naira now to being able to withdraw my money from these naira workers actually. So as you can see, the available jobs, when you come by here, you just click at my link. If you haven't registered, just register. If you're already registered, go and start completing jobs. Just click on this browse jobs. You click on browse jobs, you will see available jobs. You can see recent jobs, you can see most expensive jobs. Then you choose the types of jobs that you can easily accomplish. So I want to guide you guys on how to complete taxes here. So you can see these are the recent jobs and these are the highest paying. So we click on this highest paying, it will show you highest paying jobs that are available on the site. So anyone that you have done, it will show you that you have been done. So all this one I haven't done them, and I will start doing them very soon now. So that I need the I need the molar, so I have to start. So I've done this one, I've earned this one now. So I've earned 50, almost 16 naira. I've done this one, and they have paid me for that. So you can see a lot of jobs are here, a lot. You can't finish the jobs that on this site. Just go on, use my link at the video description.